So we're at the SCCA, and this is a national event here at Family Arena in St. Charles, and just shot some video of the track and them running. Headed out, and then I saw a Saturn Sky sitting here, and just had to shoot a quick video of it.
See what's under the hood?
Oh yeah. Are you the owner?
I am, yeah.
Yeah.
It's a,
Oh, LS swap.
LS3, yep.
Sweet. Did you do the swap yourself?
I did, yeah.
Did you really?
Yeah, about 4 or 5 years ago, and then it's been redone and redone.
Yeah.
Always improvements to be made.
You know, I'm going to back up and get you. I just was reading that originally these were built to have an LS, and then they downsized it. Is that true, or is that...
I don't know that GM's ever admitted to that.
Yeah.
But it sure seems like it fits really well.
Yeah.
And everything just kind of falls in place like it was meant to be there.
Yeah, because they're, what, 2,000 or a little less than 2,000 pounds?
No, they're a little heavier than
Are they
that.
heavier than that?
This one with some good weight reduction is to 2,800.
Okay.
Which is still pretty light.
Yeah, yeah, 2,000 would be ridiculous.
400 pounds or so lighter than most of the Corvettes out here.
Yeah.
Or 400. But,
And did you run this today?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. How did it do?
it did pretty well. Yeah, we were out here early in the morning, and it was really cold with no grip.
Oh.
First couple runs, that
Yeah.
was a handful. But yeah, once we got a little heat in the tires, it did great.
And can you tell me about the top?
It's just a fiberglass top.
Yeah.
Hard top. It allows me to get rid of the factory soft top.
Yes.
And a little better for aero and drag, and it's just a fiberglass or a carbon fiber vinyl wrap over it.
Okay. Oh, so it was it a hard top?
Mhm.
Or was it really?
Well, factory, it was soft top.
Yes.
So they
Okay.
can remove all the heavy frame and all that.
Yeah.
And put this fiberglass top on it. It drops about 30 or 40 pounds out of the car.
Yeah.
So,
Very nice. And I love the engine too. And how long have you owned the car?
about 5 years.
So you had it, and then a year later you put
ran
them.
it for about 2 years.
2
with
years.
the stock 2.0 turbo,
Yeah.
and decided this would be more fun.
So what was top speed before and after, or have you?
Yeah, I haven't really done like top speed yet,
Yeah.
but the biggest difference out here is it's so much easier to drive with the V8 because you know all your torque is there through the whole power band.
Yes.
And that turbo, you have to really mash the throttle to get it to build any boost, and then you get all of it at once, and it just makes it really unpredictable.
Yeah.
So and it makes better noises now.
Yeah, yeah. I'm gonna slide around to the other side. I was just watching a video the other day. It was on the Pontiac Solstice,
Yeah.
but they were talking about, I think it was 3,000 RPMs, and below that, not much was happening. You get over 3,000,
Yeah.
and
You get 4-cylinder power up until about 3,000, and then you get a V8 all of a sudden.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's a lot of torque down low, which is good for these
yeah,
low speed corners.
and a lot of quirkiness about this car. But anything before we shut the video down that we should talk about? You got racing seats in there, and boy, you really you stripped out everything, huh?
Yeah.
That you could.
Stripped out a lot. You know, it still has a pretty stock appearing dash and all, but you know, no radio or AC or anything like that. But it's pretty basic, stripped down to just what you need to go fast.
Very nice. I have a 61 Chevy truck that I'm in the process of putting an LS motor in. So, oh, so you're from Mississippi?
Yeah, just Memphis area. Just
Okay.
Mississippi.
Just south of
Or just
Memphis?
south of Memphis,
Yeah. Yeah. How long have you lived there?
Only about 2 years.
Yeah, I heard that area is just building up crazy.
It is. Yeah, I grew up around Nashville. It's growing really fast.
Yeah.
If I have everybody's attention, we'd like to clean the grid out completely.
Well, thank you so very much for letting me shoot your car. And I have a YouTube channel, The Story Behind the Car, and I think I have a card in my car I'll grab real quick.